Little Petey! Get away from him, you fish! He's free! Run, little Petey! Run! Run!
Hey, I can see my house from here!
Everyone needs to clear out! It is not safe here! That means you, Sarah!
What?
And I'm not just saying that because I'm in love with you.
You just said that on live TV!
All right, fine. I'm in love with you, Sarah Haddow. I said it. Now get out of here.
If you think I'm leaving the biggest story of my life, you're an even bigger idiot than the one I'm in love with.
You just said that on live TV.
Ugh, fine.
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 Fine!
And now, my beautiful army, destroy them!
Oh no!
Looks bad, dog man. We've only been partners for like 6 minutes, but it's been real. I've matured and I respect you. Even if I'm only saying that for dramatic impact, and I'm actually still evil and rotten inside.
Dogman? Dogman.
Not the mouth!
Petey, look.
Hold on. I know you need to arrest me for escaping from cat jail.
We're trapped!
What? Oh, good dog. No, stop. Not now.
Yes! Finish them!
Everyone, follow Dogman.
Me first!
Oh, we got a caveman back here. Run!
Climb up! Come on!
Leave my papa alone! Hi, Papa!
No! Blue Petey, no!
What?
Who's that? RoboCat!
Flippy Kaye, Flippy Flipper.
Huh?
You can't escape me, you sniveling little... Come here! Oh, do-goodness! Little Petey!
Dogman? Papa!
Flippy's coming this way!
Come out and play!
Everybody clear out!
You'll never get away, RoboCop.
Come on, let's go!
I'll hunt you down to my last breath.
What are you waiting for?
I'll never stop till you're dead, RoboCop.
You better run, Papa. It's me he wants.